Hey guys, here we have a typical diesel engine, the 6-cylinder inline with a mechanical fuel injection. In general, those engines with the inline head, one side is intake. This is the intake manifold. That's the intake. The air enter here, intake. In the other side of the head is located the exhaust manifold. Exhaust, 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 exhaust. The exhaust gases in this particular case spin the turbine, the hot side of the turbo. And here is the elbow with the exhaust pipe. The elbow with the exhaust pipe. When the shaft is spinning because the gases spin the turbine, the shaft in the other side with the other turbine suction fresh air. The air filter is located here. The air, fresh air at atmospheric pressure enter here and is compressed. And the air fully compressed enter in the intake manifold. And the engine right now is turbocharged. This is the function of the turbocharger. And this is the hot side, this is the cold side, and this line is the lubrication. This is the lubrication line to lubricate the bearings for the hot side and the bearings for the cold side. That oil is coming from the engine, from the block of the engine, and the oil return into the oil pan of the engine. What happened when the oil passed to this side? Here there are seals in the hot side, seals in the cold side. If the oil penetrates the cold side, the air entering and compressed at high pressure enter mixed oil with air in the combustion chamber. And after that you have blue smoke. This is when the oil of the turbo passed to the cold side. What happened if the oil passed to the hot side? If the seal in this side is damaged, the oil pass and is mixed with the exhaust gases, and you have in the exhaust pipe exhaust gases with oil. This is the consequence when one of those seals are damaged.